Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the market opened on a gap lower, and so far the sell side has been in firm control. Heading into the open, our intermediate term bias is going to be bearish, but our short term bias will be neutral, which means that we have to be open to the market moving in either direction. And off the open, how the market responds to the 26 to 29 initial support and the 43.5 to 46.5 pre-market resistance is going to help us determine which side is being more dominant. Now, we already know that the sell side has been quite dominant and in firm control in the overnight session, and given that our intermediate term bias is also bearish, that means that there is potential for a break below 26 to 29. And in the event that we do get a breakdown below 26, buyers can still be active at the support areas below at 18.5 to 22.5, as well as 12 to 14.25. Now, on the downside, like I said, buyers can technically be active at 18.5 to 22.5, as well as 12 to 14.25. But if we're seeing excess weakness and big and sustained downside momentum, and the market ends up breaking below those areas, then there would be potential to head down into 28.02.5 to 28.05, as well as 27.96.75 to 27.98.75. And in the event that the market heads down into those lower support zones, those areas do mark a range extreme, and buyers are very likely to be active there. So again, heading into the open, our intermediate term bias is bearish, while the short term bias is neutral, but with the understanding that the sellers have been in firm control in the overnight session, and there is potential for that theme to continue and for ES to test below 26, and then perhaps we can find buyers at one of the support zones below. But if in real time we continue to see excess weakness and some big and sustained downside momentum, then eventually the market could head even lower. But on first test of 18.5 to 22.5 and 12 to 14.25, buyers can be active for at least a reaction. And if the buyers can push ES back above 26 to 29, then there would be potential for it to turn into a better intraday reversal, and we could get a move back up into 43.5 to 46.5 and potentially higher. So that is the market context heading into the open. Let's see how ES responds to 26 to 29. That'll provide a bit of a tell off the open, and then even in the event that the market breaks below that area, how it responds to 26 to 29 later in the session is still going to be important and helpful. So that is the plan heading into the open. Let's see how the market behaves at 26 to 29 and whether the sell side can maintain the control that we've seen in the overnight session, and we'll take it from there.